Hello everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another delicious cocktail. And like I said before, we are in the classics. So we have the high 90s. It is a sunny day in San Diego. Perfect day for enjoying a cocktail in the outside. If you have a pool, even better. Today is not going to be the exception. Get the blender out. We're going to make a piña colada. This is how we're gonna do it, you guys. This is one of the easiest and fastest cocktails you can have. The cool thing about it is that you can make a lot of versions of the piña colada. You just need to have, or make your piña colada, and also if you get some syrups, like a mango, like a peach, maybe you can add a banana into it, or maybe some strawberry, you can make a Miami Vice. But let's get into the basics. So we're gonna go for a full cup of crushed ice, if it's possible. Oops. We're gonna go for an ounce and a half of white rum. We're gonna go for 2 ounces of Coco Lopez or Calagua or any piña colada mix. I recommend more like the Coco Lopez cream. That'll be something thicker and nicer and more sweeter and a better taste for your coconut. Also, we're gonna get some pineapple juice. We're gonna need 2 ounces as well. All right. Get 1 slice of a pineapple, just chop them off. Get those cubes, let's put them inside. And let's blend. All right, we have our cocktail blend. Let's get a nice tall glass. Your consistency is gonna be like a nice and slushy. So remember, you guys, if you like what you see, if you like what you taste, don't forget to give us a shout, give us a like, and subscribe. Spread the voice. This is actually fun cocktails to make. We have the piña colada. So now we're going to put a little bit of a garnish. One of the best things to do is actually get a slice of your pineapple, maraschino cherry, and even just to make it a little bit better, just like one of these little parts of the actual pineapple. And there you have it. A sexy and tasty piña colada. Salud.